All right, so what we're going to do for this section is we're going to learn how to solve these equations. And the equations that we're talking about, let me get my pointer. The equations that we're talking about are linear equations and inverse equations. So this is like a supply and demand kind of situation. So our linear, we want to know when will these two equations intersect. And we can do that excuse me, we can do that a couple of ways. We can use tables, and that's where we set up our x and y's and choose a few x's and solve for y's. Or we can use graphs, and that's pretty easy. We just get a graphing calculator, or you can use Desmos and you put these two things in and then you find where they intersect. So, the graph, a linear graph would look, this would be my linear, and then this would be my inverse, and this is where they intersect. And the other way is just to think about, so it's reasoning. And this is really important in math. You need to think about, are your answers correct? Are your answers reasonable? Is it reasonable to think that these two things would even intersect? So that's what we're going to do with this little tutorial.